Okay, I got cut off on 37, so I'll finish it here. I was almost done. Again, I multiplied all my numbers. -4 times 2 is -8 times 5 is -40. Combined my x's, which gives me x to the -5th. And then I combined my y's, which gives me y to the 3rd. Now, remember, negative exponents are not acceptable. So you need to send that to the bottom. So that means that that is going to be now x to the 5th. So you're going to have -40 y to the 3rd over x to the 5th. And that is going to be option B on that one. Okay, same thing kind of with these, except for you got division. Remember, on division, you actually subtract. So that's going to be 9 minus 14. So that's going to be C to the -5. And that's because 9 minus 14 is a -5. And then here I have a -7 minus a -10. So -7 minus -10 is going to be -7 plus 10. So that's actually going to be D to the 3rd. So again, make sure that you realize that, two negatives make a positive. Remember, you can't have a negative exponent, so that one needs to go to the bottom. So that means you're going to have D to the 3rd over C to the 5th. And so that means 38 is C. All right, on 39. This is just like combining like terms, but I wanted you to see the difference one because you need to think about this as like a -1 out here and it's distributed to all these. And then you're just going to combine like terms. So you have -7x minus 5x to the 4th plus 5. Now this now becomes a positive 7x to the 4th. This now becomes a positive 5. And that now becomes a positive 9x. And then I just look to see which ones I can actually combine. So I have, these are my x to the 4th. I can combine those, and that's a positive 7 and -5, so that's 2x to the 4th. Now my x's, I have a -7x and a positive 9x, so that's going to be plus 2x. And then I have a positive 5 and a positive 5, so that's going to be plus 10. And so that means that it is actually option D. So we're going to do the same thing with number 40. Again, that's like a -1 that's distributed, and then I rewrite it. So I have 4w squared minus 7w minus 6. I'm just carrying that down. Minus 8w squared minus 2w, and that's now going to be a plus 3. I can combine my w squared. That's going to become a -4w squared. I can combine my w, so that's going to be minus 9w. And then I can combine my numbers, which is going to be minus 3. That means that that one is actually option A.